Today, millions of typists at their machines speed the business and war activity of our nation. One way to learn a better or the best way of doing anything is to watch and analyze the skill of an expert. You can be a superior typist.
Let's look at the various machines. All of these machines are alike in many respects. In order to become an expert typist, it is essential to master the correct typing technique, the Remington standard. Look at your hands. Place your hands on the keyboard. A little to the right of the center of your machine. 1 foot ahead of the other to give you proper balance. Learn to work like one.
Today, millions of typists at their machines speed the business and war activity of our nation.
Learn to work like one. There is no spare time left between strokes. Your typing will continue to improve. Drop your hands into your lap and relax.
Unfortunately, many typists cannot work rapidly and accurately.